Hello everyone. People are quietly switching from ChatGPT to Claude, but almost nobody is talking about the biggest problem. What happens to all your data, your chats, your preferences, your workflow, everything you have built over the time. In this video, I will show you how to transfer all of that in just few minutes without losing anything. When you change AI tools, you do not just lose conversations, you lose your contexts, you lose personalization, and suddenly all of AI feels dumb again. That's because it is no longer understands how you work. So instead of improving productivity, you forced to rebuild everything from scratch. Claude has introduced a feature that allows you to import your data from other AI tools, and this means you can carry over your experience, continue working without interruption. But there is a specific method you need to follow if you want complete result. Start by opening Claude. Just type here Claude, and you will see here, just click it. Here you have the interface of Claude. Go to your profile and then go to your settings, and here you have the option of capabilities, and in capability you can see that start import. Just click on it, and here you have a complete prompt that will be helpful for you to transfer the data from any AI tools to Claude. This prompt is designed to pull your stored information from ChatGPT or any other AI tools. At first glance, it looks simple, but just copy and paste. But if you stop there, and you will only get the partial data. Most people make mistakes that they paste the prompt and expect everything is going to be transferred, but by default, ChatGPT doesn't expose all your stored data to the context. So you need to prepare it first. For this purpose, you have to go to the ChatGPT. Just log in there and find the personalization section by going into settings. Just here, setting, go in there and click on personalization. Make sure that the reference chat history and all these options are on, like web search, canvas, chat, GPT, advanced voices, contract, connector search. Everything should be on here, so that it should get all the data from those memories too. Now you just have to go to the Claude, just copy this prompt and then coming back into this and just paste it. And here you will get your result. In my case, because I have created a ChatGPT demo account just to give the demo for this purpose. So in my case, there's no instructions saved in the memory of this ChatGPT, but in your case it will be saved. So in this case, you will get all the instructions, your identity, your career, your projects, your preferences as well. Just copy all these things here and just paste it into the result to the Claude memory, and just click on the add memory and it will be added. But there is a hack in it, and maybe this would not give you all the data. For to get all the data, you have to click on this, and then you have to turn on its thinking mode, and then copy that prompt from Claude and then paste it here. And when you will enable the thinking mode, it will actually think before giving you the response. So in that case, you will get all the memory stored in your ChatGPT or any other AI model, and then you will export that memory to the Claude or any AI other tools. So in this case, in this way, you will not lose any data. The memory that you have built in the previous AI tools will be transferred to the Claude, and you will not need to restart it again. But this will work on the ChatGPT and any AI tools. But if you have any projects in that particular AI tools, that's projects are basically the container in which all the conversation of that project stored, instructions are individually stored in that specific project. For that case, you have to go to that project, and then you have to paste that prompt there, and then you have to hit enter, and then that memory of that project will be given to you in that case. So you can copy that instructions and go to the Claude and create a new projects there. New projects, click on it, like for example testing, create new project. In instructions you have to paste that result into the instructions field, and then you have to save the instructions. So in this case you will get all the memories of that projects get transferred to the project in Claude as well. So in this way you will be able to transfer all the memory from ChatGPT to Claude. So that's the complete demo, and hit subscribe if you need further details and further AI demos, please. Thank you so much for watching.